Let's go to the garden. It's such a lovely day. La 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 la. Let's go to the attic. Hi everyone. We're gonna paint the other side. Let's get to it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi everyone, welcome to the part 2 video of the dollhouse, where I will be painting the whole dollhouse from start to finish. I will also be adding elements such as carpet for the loft, fake grass for the balcony, and I have also managed to make a small ladder to access the loft using a pencil, which I will show you. I have gone for a modern color scheme as opposed to the general dollhouses you see where it's very bright, yellow walls, orange rooftops, stuff like that. I've decided I'm gonna give this a more contemporary look by using more cold, earthy colors. And as always, I needed my daughter's touch, even if it meant wiping a lot of excess after she finished. So from the beginning of the video, the paint that you are seeing me put on is a primer that I'm first applying. So when I add the acrylic colors and other paint on top, it sits better.
I'm trying to paint. You need to work very careful. I'm painting white. I'm gonna paint the roof.
And now we begin with the colors.
This is how you paint a roof. Up and down, slowly. Need more paint. This is how you paint. Hi everyone. We're gonna paint the other side. Let's get to it. We need some more paint. This is a chalk paint. Let me wipe it off. It has to be perfect. A little bit more paint. A little. Don't you finish it off, Daddy? I'm not done.
Okay, sorry.
I will wipe it off. Nearly finished. I'm just painting the window.
So I'm using acrylic black paint for all the framing.
You need to paint the clubhouse. Now we need some more paint.
Little bit.
A little bit. Where should I paint? Here.
Yeah.
Paint. Let's paint the door.
So utilize some masking tape here just to not get the black paint onto the outside walls, but even then sometimes it kind of drips a bit, the way my daughter was getting carried away with the paint. But even if that happens, you just go over with the final color that you're gonna do, but obviously then making sure that you cover the framing so it doesn't happen again. So I went for a charcoal grey here, covering the outside walls and the edgings, as you can see where I'm painting now. You don't need to use masking tape here, just position the brush away from the piece that you're painting and flick away as you come off, so then it just doesn't go onto the adjacent pieces. It was very awkward painting this section because of the roof on top, and I did not want to touch the banisters or the railing because then that's extra cleaning. Now I am sizing up the fake grass for the balcony. I have managed to source myself an offcut piece, as you can see, and first I will cut it bigger than the floor and then slowly get closer to get a flush fit. Just a few dabs of super glue to secure the grass, and also just in case my daughter has decided to get curious and check what's underneath. My daughter could not wait to get her dog out onto the grass, so I decided why not, and it should help with the drying of the glue. So same again, few dabs of super glue to make sure the carpet sticks firmly onto the wood. That is the chimney that you see I'm using as weights, which I will be painting soon. That's the hatch where I will be placing the ladder to access the loft. I will show you how I assemble the ladder in this video. Now this is me painting the chimney. Just to kind of give a brief outline how I made this, it's literally a piece of scrap wood and I done a 45-degree cut, and that made it 90 degrees because it's sitting on a 45-degree roof. We decided to paint the banners black just to be consistent with the window frames and the door frames. So this is how it came out. Very impressed with it. We went for the charcoal grey for the stairs, and again just to be consistent with the outside wall colours and to get that repetition going inside the house also. In case you're wondering why I keep saying we, that is because my wife was the architect who designed the structure and the colours, and my daughter was my Van Gogh who done the painting, and I was just the guy who cut the wood. So this is me assembling the ladder. As you would notice, the steps are made from literally one black pencil that I made repeated cuts to get the exact length. I put dabs of glue on either end and got two scrap pieces to act as the sides and just put them together. And then you have a ladder. Just a few final touches and then there you have it, access to the loft. Here's me making a small rug for the living room, nothing too fancy, just made a marking with a black marker and then just cut around it with scissors just to give it that oval finish. And finally, the last finishing piece, the chimney is going on right now. I decided to use super glue instead of wood glue because it dries much quicker, and especially my kids could not wait to get their hands on it.
We're home. Let's go inside. Happy can go with the doggy. Let's go upstairs and go in this door. Ari goes in. Oh no, let's go to the garden. It's such a lovely day. La 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 la. Oops. I know we can fit here. You can't stand, Mommy.
Now a showcase for the final product. I am very impressed the way it turned out. I did not think it would look the way it's looking, and my kids love it, so it's been a great project. And thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun making it. And check out part 1 of this dollhouse where I show you how I made it. And consider subscribing if you enjoy content like this. And check out my channel for similar videos like this.